everyone, welcome to another episode of Model Car Memories. I'm going to do an unboxing today. Getting nowhere, and I don't have that many of them left on the unboxing. This one here, as you can see, the MPC 25th anniversary Corvette special edition. I believe this is the original one from 1977. So it's got a couple pictures here, the details on it. The side looks like the front. That looks about the same as the other side there. So let's get into it here. Oh, okay. So I've got the chrome T here. Everything appears to be in there. And looks like this one wasn't opened up. So everything's still in the bag. Some pieces are broken off the trees here inside the bag, but it's molded in silver. The top here looks a little like there's a dent in the windshield there. That could probably be straightened out. A little bit of gentle heat or something like that. Let's take a look at what else is here. Uh-oh. Yeah, got the tire stuck to the windshield there, the back glass. So the tires, we do have the instruction sheet here. Okay, this says copyright 1978 on here, so 78 car. On the front it says 77. So there are the instructions. You have a custom or stock choice on your exhaust. Custom and stock on the grill as well. And the decals. A couple of things, different valve covers as well. So it's got a couple of different customized things here. The wheels as well. Let's see here if we can get these. See if this can come off here. Yeah, that's not bad. Two wheels saved. Oh, that came off fairly easy there. That might actually probably might be successful in polishing that out. So the kit's not in bad condition. Does look like that did ruin one of the decals there for the front stripe there. But there's cracks running up through it, so I don't think these decals have been in too much heat on there. So I will get a separate baggie to put these in. And then we'll put it back on the shelf. So I did a quick search on these. They're only going for like $20–25 on the auction sites. So a couple messed up parts. It's not a big deal. It's probably a good kit to put together. I mean, if you can buy it for the same price as normal kits nowadays. So yeah, I don't see anything wrong on this. Like I said, the only thing that looks wrong is the back glass there, the decals. And then you got, let's see if I can show it to you here. I'm not going to open the, I don't know if you can see that the front top of the windshield there's got a little dip in it there. But all in all, it looks like a solid kit on it there. So just thought I'd do a quick little video here. It's a rainy day outside, so nothing else to do. But thanks for watching. I'll post some up close pictures on the Instagram page, so you can see those. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and thumbs up on the page. Thanks.